What if I told you that Java just got a massive upgrade? One that makes it simpler for beginners, faster for the cloud, and purpose-built for the age of AI. Well, get ready, because Java 25 is here, and it is a beast of a release. This isn't just another update. This is the new long-term support version, the first one since JDK 21. That means Oracle is backing it with at least 8 years of support. This is the version you can confidently ship to production. In this video, we're going to break down the absolute best features from the 18 JEPs in this release. We'll cover how Java is becoming incredibly easy to learn, the massive performance boost that will save you money, and why now it's a powerhouse for AI development. Welcome back to NIIT, and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about something that has intimidated new Java developers for decades. That scary line of code you have to write just to say hello world. Yes, I'm talking about public static void main with string args. With Java 25, we can finally say goodbye to it for simple programs. Thanks to compact source files, you can now just write an instance main method. It's as simple as this. Look at that. Clean, simple, and so much friendlier. This creates a super smooth on-ramp for anyone just starting their coding journey. But the cleanup doesn't stop here. Have you ever been frustrated by rigid constructors? You want to validate an argument before you call the super method? Well, with flexible constructors, you can do just that. We can see that now you can validate the arguments first before calling the super. This is a huge win for writing safer and more reliable code from the get-go. And for those of you working with large libraries, especially in the AI space, you love the module import declarations. Instead of a giant wall of imports, you can now import an entire module with a single line. This massively reduces that import noise and makes your code so much cleaner. It's all about focusing on what matters, your logic. Alright, let's talk about speed and efficiency, because this is where Java 25 really starts to flex its muscles, especially for cloud and enterprise applications. First up is a feature that sounds small but has gigantic implications. Compact object headers. Think of every object in Java as having a small label or a header with administrative info. Java 25 slashes the size of that header from 128 bits down to just 64 bits. So what? Well, this can reduce your application's memory usage, its heap size, by up to 22%. That means lower CPU usage and, importantly, direct savings on your cloud bill. That's not a small change, that's a financial win. Next, a major feature from Project Loom is now final, scoped values. Imagine you need to pass data like a user's ID or an auth token through a long chain of method calls. The old way, using thread locals, was risky and could lead to memory leaks. Scoped values are like temporary keycards. You can give it to a thread and it'll work perfectly for all its operations and any virtual child threads that it creates. But as soon as the operation is done, the keycard automatically expires. This is a more robust, performant, and leak-proof way to share data in concurrent applications. It's a game changer for building high-throughput systems. Java isn't just catching up to the AI trend, it's positioning itself as a leader. The Vector API continues to evolve, allowing developers to write complex math computations that run directly on specialized CPU instructions. For machine learning and other heavy-duty tasks, this means blazing fast performance that you couldn't achieve before. And to manage these complex AI workflows, we have structured concurrency. Think of an AI task that has to do multiple things at once, like process an image and query a database. Structured concurrency treats all those related tasks as a single unit. If one part fails, all related tasks are cancelled. No loose ends. This makes your concurrent code dramatically easier to write, debug, and manage. Finally, Java is getting ready for the next big leap in computing: quantum computers. Quantum computers threaten to break our current encryption standards. That's why Java 25 is stabilizing support for post-quantum cryptography. With new standards like MLKEM and MLDSA, Java is providing the tools you need to build applications that will remain secure for decades to come. So let's recap. Java 25 is simpler for beginners, massively more performant for the cloud, and fully equipped for the future of AI and quantum computing. It's a landmark release. If you're currently on Java 8, 11, 17, or even 21, the reasons to upgrade have never been more compelling. So what are you waiting for? Go download JDK 25, try out these amazing new features, and start building the future today. If you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on Java and generative AI, and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching and happy coding!